left. We officially hit our mark yesterday as well. We hit Osprey Marina, and that was our milestone of 100 runtime hours on the motors.
South Carolina.
South Carolina. And that's taken us from Thousand Islands, Ontario, Canada, and that's right to Osprey Marina.
Look how beautiful and peaceful it is this morning. Oh my gosh.
Everybody,
we're off again.
We're off again. We are off to Isle of Palms. Hopefully that's the name of it. And we left off the dock quarter after 7. And that should be a nice day. Another nice day.
Yeah, we're lucky.
Yeah, we're doing very, very well. Weather's been good for the last 4 days now.
Waterfront bar restaurant.
You gotta watch your wake there, that's for sure.
Yeah. Don't go fast. Everyone will get soaked. Cute little tikis. Yeah. In the afternoon, arriving at Pine Island. We're going to
Isla Palm?
Yeah, we're going to Isle or Isla of Palm Marina for the evening. This is the Pine Island right here. All the beautiful homes. Long docks.
We actually had the most relaxing day so far, and due to the fact that it was just open river running, it was great. Very relaxing, hardly any boats out, so we actually stepped it up. We were doing average 18-19 miles an hour up on plane. It was great, and just a really nice day. Very, very nice.
That's the ICW right there.
Yeah, it's a Monday afternoon, and there's not as much traffic as there was definitely in Wilmington, but it's still very beautiful here.
Yeah.
So.
Alright guys, so here's the view of us leaving Isle of Palms Marina. The boat just went by. Have a little bit of waves. Heading for a big bridge. It's going to be about approximately 2-hour cruise to our destination, so that gives us time to settle for the day, get some provisions. There you have it. Oh my gosh, they're right here.
All stations. This is Coast Guard Sector Charleston, South Carolina. Coast Guard Sector Charleston, South Carolina. Coast Guard Sector Charleston, South Carolina. September 24th, 2024. Time 11:06 local, 15:06 coordinated universal time. The Coast Guard received a report of the vessel taking on water near position 32-46.47 north, 079-57.11 west. The vessel is a 36-foot gray vessel with 4 adults on board, about 30 miles off Port Royal. All vessels are requested to keep a sharp lookout, assist if possible, and report all sightings to the United States Coast Guard. Signed, United States Coast Guard, Sector Charleston, South Carolina, out.
There's a Coast Guard boat heading out to probably the boat that is taking on water in the ocean. So, thank you, U.S. Coast Guard.
This is for all my construction buddies out there. Just figure this is this isn't just really something you see every day. Rock truck on a barge. Yeah. Hey guys.
Hello, hello.
So we just pulled in, we just settled, we just tied up. We're at St. John's
Yacht Club, South Carolina.
South Carolina.
We just tied up right now. Wonderful staff so far. We are going to stay put, just to give you guys a heads up. We're not going to be traveling for a bit.
But yeah, anywhere from 2 to 4 days. Anyway, we're going to let Helen do her damage. Hopefully none for everybody.
Yeah, so sad.
Fingers crossed on that. But this is the safest upriver spot we could find with our time. And it's a great spot. We'll probably give a little tour of that after. And now we got a bunch of scrubbing to do. So,
yeah, we're gonna get to work, get the boat all organized for our comfort zone for the next few days, and we'll keep in touch with you guys. We'll keep you posted tomorrow as to the weather and all that. But so far we're away from the center, so all good. All right.
Fingers crossed for everybody.
Just wanted to let you know we are safely docked. Talk to you soon. Bye.
Hey guys.
Well, guys, it's not always fun. No, I'm just kidding. We actually don't mind. You know, it's just part of the journey, keeping the boat clean, maintaining as much as we can. Sometimes it's tough because we arrive at our destination around 5 p.m. and then we're out the next morning at 7 a.m. So every chance we get, we are shining everything, pulling everything out, doing all the little nitty-gritty corners. Sammy, are we getting a staff meeting this morning? What are you saying?
Do you need to pull up your shorts a little more, Sam, and get shit done, or what? Hey,
Hey,
what do you think? Is it time?
are we having a morning meeting? Yeah, okay. What are you thinking?
More treats.
Oh, are we out of treats?
More treats.
Do we have to order treats? Yeah. Is the kitchen empty?
How about more blankets, Sam?
More blankies?
More toys?
That's it. That's the one. More toys. Hello. Oh my God. Seriously? Fun. Where'd he go? Hello. Where'd he go? Oh my God. Well, that was cool. Hello, good morning.
Morning, guys.
The day before the storm, we're heading to check out the town. St. John's Marina and Yacht Club offered us a vehicle. It's complimentary for their transients.
A little courtesy car, yeah.
Yeah.
So, anyway.
We need to get some provisions.
Yeah, we need to stock up on some stuff, do some laundry, and we're going to wait things out. Hopefully we get a couple of parts that show up today. And yeah, Charlie just had an excellent dolphin show.
Yeah, I'm going to
We'll
share
post
that with you
that,
guys on our YouTube video. Look out for that.
Yeah.
We're stretching Sammy's legs.
Did she do her business
No,
yet?
not yet, because I was busy with the dolphins. This is boat life when one watches the reports for the weather and the other one is planning your next route in 48 hours. We've got our navionics. Don is trying to figure out where we're going next and how far we can attain our next destination. And I'm watching the weather report of Hurricane Helene. Whatever it's called. Yeah. Boat life. Just wanted to let everyone know we're good. If anyone wants to watch CTV News in Ottawa with Sandy Ronaldo at 6 o'clock, we're going to be on the news. So if you guys want to watch that, you can. They did reach out to us to you know, get some information on this and make sure we're okay. So we are okay. We have tornado threats this evening, and again more so on Thursday morning. We're in the area where we have tornado warnings that are going to be coming in, so we got a heads up on that. Aside from that, we are strapped down, tied down, and yeah, we're gonna hunker down. Sleepless night tomorrow. It is what it is. Keep you guys posted.
Satellite images show this storm is a massive sprawling monster.
We are keeping a very close eye on this hurricane coming.
Canadians Dawn and Charley McGilvery on a boating trip to Florida. Snowbirds forced to dock in South Carolina now to wait out the hurricane.
How bad are we going to be rocking? How loud are the winds going to be? And yeah, sleepless nights for sure.
We provisioned well, and like I said, fingers crossed, and we'll just wait it out here.
As residents batten down their homes, furiously filling sandbags, Florida's governor activated the National Guard and emergency workers, bracing now for a fearsome storm.
All right, guys, it's approximately 12 noon on Thursday. Definitely feeling the winds already picking up, and Hurricane Helene is still in the Gulf of Mexico, hasn't even landed in Florida yet, so it's going to be an interesting evening for us. Unfortunately, we're going to get the bulk of the winds overnight. So guaranteed that we're not going to be sleeping much this evening. It is 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and the rain is just getting a little heavier. Very little wind, barely any actually, and you can't really see past the bridge because the rain is so heavy. 6:30 in the evening, still Thursday. Got some dark clouds coming through. A few tornado warnings just north of us. It looks like a very lucky. Looks like a big pile of rain is coming if you look this way. Yeah, so back to the boat. Just took Sammy for a walk while we had a little bit of a rest from the downpour, but it's gonna start again soon. So I did notice the surge is approximately maybe half a foot higher than it normally would be already. And Hurricane Helene is still in the Gulf of Mexico, so we will be getting quite a surge. It'll be interesting to see. Don's like trying to make a run for it. Ah, it's only rain. Yeah, here we go. He hates the rain. Just had a tornado warning to take shelter probably about 15-20 minutes ago. hanging tight. And just waiting for it to pass. It shouldn't be much longer. Shouldn't be much longer. Sleepless night. How's it going, babes?
It's going. Yeah, I was a little, I got up at about 1:45 this morning, and I've been up ever since. And then for the last 2 hours, or 3 hours, I guess, it's been rocky rolling.
I think the worst part is that it's happening at night for me. Right now we're just kind of holding tight.
Tired time walking.
Hey everyone, we are still holding in South Carolina post hurricane. For us it was Tropical Storm Helene, and as you can see the rivers are calming down quite a bit now, so it's a good sign for us. Basically means that tomorrow we're going to unhook and we are going to be heading further south. The sun is setting. We took the day pretty much to relax a little bit. And there you have it. There's a sailboat over there that anchored out during the storm. So glad they were fine. So further south we go tomorrow, guys. We'll keep you guys posted. Have a nice evening. Talk to you soon. Bye.